Hello everyone, welcome to entertainment platform of interest. Today we are going to make kids lunch basket in crosscut model. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more awesome craft tutorials. Share your like, comments and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Today we are going to make kids lunch basket in crosscut model. Crosscut is nothing but making the wire basket without running wire. Materials required for making this crosscut wire basket are scissors, plastic wire and inch tape. You have to take 40 pieces of wire, each 186 centimeters. Now take one piece of wire, fold it, find the midpoint, make it as a loop like this. Hold it tightly. Turn the rough space above. Now insert the rough space into the loop. Now tie the knot. This is a basic knot. Measure the wire on the all four sides. Measure the wire on all the four sides. Make sure the length of the wire is same on all the four sides. Now I have made 20 basic knots. We are going to join all these 20 basic knots into a single line. Join the two basic knots. Join the cross wires in V shape and form a basic knot. Now follow the same procedure and connect all the basic knots like this. Make a center knot. Now I have joined all the basic knots. Now join the two bunches together. Connect the V-shaped wire and form a basic knot. Now join the next bunch to your right. Make a center knot again. Now join the next bunch to your left. Join all the bunches using same procedure, left, right, left, right. Join all the cross wires and form a basic knot. After joining the 20 basic knots, it will be like this. Let's meet in the next video to complete the basket. Give a thumbs up for this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel for more craft tutorials. Let's meet again. Bye.